Well done.
Who likes free shit? I do. Everyone does. Anyways, I have tons of head straps and apparently leaves to give away. So amazing head straps and lanyards to give away, made by my amazing friend over at Broken Prop Crew. You have to follow and subscribe to us. Links and tags. I'm also going to give away my first sticker sheet. I hope you guys like it. It's funny and whatever. There is prop stickers that I have invented. Not for racing purposes, but for looks, for the people who really like to dress up their quad before they crash their quad. These might cause some people to say that they'll cause your props to be unbalanced. I do believe quads to be much more advanced than that nowadays, but I would love to see if somebody made a video as a fun way to see if they do mess up your balance. Other than that, they're just fun. They stick on well enough, and I have... Okay, so I lied. I didn't finish what I was saying. I was trying to finish everything as fast as I could because my GoPro is dying. Anyways, free things. Free. Yeah, I'm just also checking out my favorite website, second favorite to Flinoceros, and my website comes third because it kind of sucks. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so you could like have the gold chain. There's so many beautiful lanyards. You could have pizza instead of hot dog. I'm just kidding. Pineapple next to pizza. That's really close. That's really close. Yeah, so these are all like, oh my god, they're beautiful. These are beautiful lanyards and straps, and their quality. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna give them all away. Also, what I was also getting at, which totally just the GoPro shit the bed, is I'm gonna give away some stickers too. Someone's gonna get this big ass one. It's the only one that's ever been made. FPV is dead. Not. One of my two favorite, I guess I like all of my stickers, but my favorites are the Borat FPV is dead, not, and FPV fan club versus community, where the man is enjoying himself. Yeah, and yes, there's prop stickers on them. I have some really cool other designs. Let me show you what they look like after they've been decimated on a quad. They are like a one-time use thing. But look, the props are okay, but the prop stickers are not. Yeah, so they're one-time thing. They're really good for those photo shoots you want to do, or to see how long they'll last. They're pretty freaking sticky. Yeah, and they're really cool. They're just different. These are different props, so they don't really fit these ones as well. But any other generic ones, they'll scoot right up to them. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff to Broken Prop Crew and Miss Creature, and leave a comment. Okay. I suck. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't vlog. I can't vlog. Just can't vlog. Can't vlog. Here, take my shit. Not gonna do it. I just want people to have a good time, and so does Broken Prop Crew, and that's what FPV is all about, having a good time and not thinking about drama. So, what do? Let's have some fun and go fly.